hassle-free shopping at Bankston.com. Bank on Bankston to save you money.
Get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet HHR. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
3-day money-back guarantee. Hassle-free pricing. Free Carfax report. Bank on Bankston to save you money. Visit Bankston.com.